Now, for the year of the horse, pangalawa sa year of the rabbit ay horse ang pinakamaswerte. Kasi ang horse this year, nasa kanyang lugar, which is the south area, ang number 8. Kaya lahat tayo, if you want to invite good luck in your home, inside your home, maglagay kayo, you look for the south of your house. They need to use compass kasi hindi pwedeng hindi gumamit ng compass. Pag hindi gumamit ng compass, nasisira na yung art of placement. So, this is just a tip for them to look for 2014, to activate the year, to get the luck of the year. Yung swerte na nakukuha natin for that year, they need to look for the south, they need to use compass, and then maglagay na ng kung anong mga pula-pula dyan sa south na yan. Yung palang, swerte na yung darating sa inyo. So with this one naman, ang lucky color kasi ang lucky gemstone ng horse ay ruby actually and aquamarine. Now, since ito yung may ingots, this is actually ancient money. So it's a huge ancient money. So ibig sabihin, talagang ina-activate mo yung wealth clock number 8 to come into you. So ang horse is more of wealth clock. Money, money, money coming into them. So it's a good news also.